friends, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to JobSol channel. I wish you are all safe at home. So if you're new to this channel, then click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for daily current affairs and job alert. So today we are going to discuss the current affairs of 26 May 2020. So let's start. Question number 1. Which country has recently announced to withdraw from Open Skies Treaty? So it is done by USA. So on 2002, the Open Sky Treaty has come into forces. So some GK to United States. United States capital is Washington DC. Its president is Donald Trump and currency is dollar. Question number 2. Which country has become the second largest producer of personal protective equipment in the world? So it is India. And who is the first? You know, it is always China. China is first in the PP producer. So on an average daily about 1 lakh PP is producing in India. Question number 3. The government has notified amendments to General Financial Rules, that is GFR, to ensure that goods and service valued less than how much crore are being procured from domestic firms. So it is 200 crore. Question number 4. Under the Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana, which textiles are to be used in rural road development? So it is Coergio textiles. Question number 5. When was World Turtle Day 2020 observed? So it is observed on 23rd May. Question number 6. Shyamala Ji Bhabe, who passed away recently, was she was a renowned vocalist and she belongs to Karnataka. So she was a singer of Hindustani and Carnatic music. Question number 7. Who has been appointed as the national president of FICCI Ladies Organization, that is FLO? So her name is Jahnavi Phukan and she belongs to Assam. So FICCI full form is Federation of India Chambers and Commerce and Industry. So its president is Sangeeta Reddy and its headquarters is in New Delhi. Question number 8. Private equity firm KKR, which is present in USA, is said to invest rupees 11,367 crore in Jio platform for how much percent stake? So it is 2.32% stake. So some GK related to Jio. Jio MD is Sandeep Das and its headquarters present in Mumbai. KKR headquarters present in New York and Henrik Krevis is its co-chairman. Question number 9. IRDAI has approved which bank's proposal to continue with its 30% holding in First Life Insurance? So it is Union Bank of India. So as you know, from April 1st, Union Bank of India has merged with Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank. So Union Bank of India headquarters present in Mumbai and Rajkiran Rai ji is its MD and CEO. Question number 10. Which company has joined hands with Facebook to train offline retailers to go digital on platforms like Instagram and WhatsApp? So it is done by Samsung. So these two companies have already transferred more than 800 offline retailers to online, that is to Instagram and WhatsApp. Some GK related to Samsung. Samsung headquarters present in Seoul, South Korea and its chairman is Lee Kun Hee. Facebook headquarters present in California and its CEO is, as you know, Mark Zuckerberg. Question number 11. The cabinet has approved a scheme for the development of fisheries sector with a total estimated investment of how much crore rupees in next 5 years? So it is 20,050 crore. Question number 12. The Reserve Bank of India has announced a rupees 15,000 crore line of credit to which bank? So it is line of credit to Exim Bank. So Exim Bank full form is Export and Import Bank, which headquarters present in Mumbai, and David Rasguina is its MD. Question number 13. Who has become the world's highest paid female athlete according to Force magazine? So it is Naomi Osaka, and she belongs to Japan. Question number 14. Government has allocated how many crore rupees towards beekeeping under Atmanirbhar Abhiyan? So it is 500 crore. Question number 15. Break the Chain cartoon campaign was inaugurated in which state? So it is inaugurated by Kerala. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Its CM is Pinarayi Vijayan and governor is Arif Muhammad Khan. Question of 16. Tennis player Ashley Cooper, who passed away recently, hailed from which country? So he is from Australia. Australia capital is Canberra and its currency is Australian dollar, and he was 4-time Grand Slam winner. Question number 17. United Nations has listed the KHUDOL initiative of which state as one of the top 10 global initiative to fight against COVID-19. So it is initiated by Manipur. So why it is news? Because under the initiative, the NGO provides food, hygiene and health of LGBTQ community and daily wages worker. Some detail of Manipur. Manipur capital is Imphal. N. Biren Singh is its Chief Minister and Governor is Najma Heptullah. Question number 18. Which country has recorded the world's fastest internet data speed at 44.2 Tbps? So can you imagine the speed 44.2 terabyte per second? In India it is somehow in Jio I have faced up to 2.3 Mbps in my area, and it is showing 44.2 terabyte. So it is a huge achievement by Australia. So Australia